come home late, smell of someone else's perfume on your shirt. You drop your keys like I'm the one that's doing all the dirt. You raise your voice, I lower mine, just trying not to burn. You turn your back, I turn my cheek, and somehow never learn. I've got soft hands, heavy heart, you keep tearing what I mend apart. I keep giving you my daylight, you keep leaving me alone at night. How do you sleep? How do you breathe, knowing what you're taking out of me? Soft hands, heavy heart, loving you is breaking me in parts. Oh, I cook your meals, you pick at them and pick me all the same. You slam the door, I swallow every echo of your blame. You call it love, but love don't feel like walking on your glass. You say I'm weak, I call it loyal, you just call it past. I've got soft hands, heavy heart, you keep tearing what I mend apart. I keep giving you my daylight, you keep leaving me alone at night. How do you sleep? How do you breathe, knowing what you're taking out of me? Soft hands, heavy heart, loving you is breaking me in parts. Yeah, you're breaking me in parts. One day these soft hands won't reach for you in the dark no more.